Well, I'm going to do a weekly review of all the trades that I took this week. Yeah, it has been interesting. Yeah, starting off on Monday, this was on Monday. There was this trade. Yes, I remember taking this trade with my stop loss. Oh, sorry about that. So sorry about that. My stop loss there, take profit at that level over there. This was the first trade that I was taking on Monday. I remember I incurred some losses over here. I was trying to short the price at this level. I was not following my rules. I wanted to short to the sell side liquidity of the previous day, and I got out of was taken out. Yeah, but I managed to recover the price and took this price to this level. This was the trade that was taken on Monday during the London session. New York session never took any trade. On Tuesday, there was this trade that I was taking. I remember taking this short trade on Tuesday. Stop loss at that level, and TP was at this level. Yes, this was a quick one, but I never managed to take all of it. I only took up to 5 pips. Yes, I never managed to secure the whole 10 pips because I had a lot of position open from this particular point over there, and I was like, yeah, is this consolidation here? Okay, there's a build up over here. Then this build up is looking to break the downside, taking out the sell side liquidity of the Asian session of the people. So I held this trade for around 1 hour and whatever minutes, 2 hours ish, but I never secured the full 10 pips. I only secured 5 pips because I had a lot of positions over this particular point, and counting all position, it gave me 40 pips. With that, on Wednesday, so coming in on Wednesday, I never took any trade. There was I was looking to take a trade, but due to CPI, I never took any trade. But there was a good trade that I was looking at this particular point, and it was around 10 pips. Yeah, this is a trade that I saw during the London session, and yeah, I never took this trade because I was anticipating for the news, CPI news, and as you can see, there was a lot of market build up and liquidity build up as the market was waiting for the news to come out, the CPI news to come out. So I never took any trade, but I remember taking a small position, 0.01 position over this level, yeah. But I never went any margin. Yeah, I never went full on trade. So coming in on Thursday, never took any trade because I was feeling unwell. I was so sick kama COVID-19. So on Thursday, never took any trade, and as you can see, there was a consolidation in this market as the market was waiting for the PPI news. Never took any trade, and on Friday also never took any trade, and that was my week. So looking over at the videos, no, not the videos, but the discussions that I put on my videos. When was it? On 13th, from 13th. Yeah, on 13th I was talking about distraction. The moment you're not syncing with your trading strategy, it means you're distracted. And when you are distracted, don't take any trades. And you take lousy trades. You're supposed to come in there, look at the charts, not do other things. So distraction will kill you. So remember, distraction is bad. Day 9, detach. So day 9 I was talking about being detached. What I was gearing towards saying this was the markets. These markets, you need to have the ability to detach from them. You should not be attached to these markets, because the moment you get attached to this market, you are doomed. And you'll be doomed so bad that you'll be asking every Tom, Dick and Harry, what in the world is going on? And why? Because you are attached to the markets. The markets needs to show you. It needs to show you what it is doing. Like this one here, it's showing me there's liquidity at this particular point and the market is getting rejected at this trend line. Hence the internal range liquidity. You see, that is what market is telling me. But when you attach the market, you are the one who wants to see what the market is telling you, and that is not good. So try your very best to be detached from the markets. And on day 10 I was talking about A+ setup. A+ setup, there will always be A+ setup. If you have your strategy, for me I have my strategy, I don't need to go there. If A+ setup will always form if you have your entry model. See, for me, in order to take a sell, I have to wait for these. In short, number 1 to 6, 1 through to 6, these are my A+ setup. What do I mean? This is what I want to mean. Based on my strategy, the 3-count rule, this one over here. Yes, based on my strategy, the 3-count rule. Based on your strategy, whatever name you call it, you need to know these are the things that needs to appear in order for you to enter. And those things that will going to appear, those are your A+ setup. Get what I'm saying? This for me, A+ setup, A+ setup, A+ setup, A+, A+. Yeah, A+. For me, even this one is A+, but I don't tend to enter them because I find them to be a little bit advanced. I'm here to get into them. But remember, A+ setup, there will always be A+ setup on the charts. When will this A+ setup occur? They will occur if you are following your strategy. And if I may read on the A+ setup, there's something that I was saying. Yeah, boring is good. Once trading becomes boring, things start to work out better for you. Yes. A+ setup. A+ setup will always be realized when you're following your strategy to the T until it becomes boring. And when it becomes boring, things will start working for you. So in short, boring equals good. Going over to day 11. Day 11 I was talking about discipline. Be disciplined enough to keep it to your word. Yeah, for me I was saying discipline because that is when I was sick. So I was disciplined. I knew if I'm going to trade, and I wanted to trade. Where was it? On Thursday, yeah. On Thursday was 16th, yeah. What was I looking for? I was looking for a buy setup at around this level. Where is my mouse? Here. Yeah, I was looking for a buy setup at around this level. Yeah. That is not a buy, but this one is a buy. Yeah, I was looking for a buy setup at around this level over here, and I was so sure it was going to buy. Yet I did not, because I was sick and because I followed my rules. I came to avoid what? I came to a point where I came to avoid this loss. You see? I came to avoid this loss. And look at that. I avoided this loss. Why? Because I was disciplined enough to know that when I am sick or when I'm not feeling better, I should not trade for the day. Because I missed what? I missed to see this trendline internal range liquidity. Yeah. Another thing is on the 12th, I was talking about rules. Yeah. Follow your rules. Same thing on discipline. Rules. It is your rules, man. Follow your rules. Follow your rules. Follow your rules. Yeah, that's what's up, and that's for the weekly outlook. And I've shown you the trades that I took, and yeah, that's what's up, and see you next time.